Welcome to Learn with Chand. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. CS is more focused on the theoretical and mathematical foundations of computing. IT focuses more on the practical applications of technology in businesses and organizations. CS professionals are more involved in developing new software, algorithms, and programming languages. IT professionals are typically responsible for managing and maintaining existing technology systems. CS programs often have a more academic and research-oriented focus. IT programs typically have a more vocational or career-oriented focus. CS professionals are often employed in technology companies or research institutions. IT professionals may work in a variety of industries, such as healthcare, finance, or government. CS degrees often include courses in mathematics, algorithms, and computer theory. IT degrees often include courses in business management and information systems.